Welcome back to How to Authority. Now let's say you just finished editing your masterpiece in iMovie, but what do you do next? How do you actually export it and select what kind of settings you want to export it in? Well, we'll be going over all of that in this very video. Starting off the regular Mac and MacBook version of the app, once you finish editing everything, in the top right you'll see this little share icon hidden away. When you click on it, you'll have several options, including exporting and instantly sending via email, exporting for upload straight to social media, exporting just the current frame of the movie as a still image, and the option we're interested in the most, just a general export to a video file. So you just want to click on that, and here you'll be presented with all of the options, including resolutions, setting the overall quality of the finished product, and also setting how much is going to be compressed, which will all affect exactly how much space it will take up. This is also where you can give your final product a name, a description, and also any additional tags you may want to give it. Once you're done with all of that, go over to the next step, where you'll be asked where exactly you want to save your final video. Then just hit save, and then the process will begin. Now, of course, depending on your hardware, but also how intensive the project itself is, it's going to vary how much time it will take. But there will be a little progress icon in the top right telling you exactly how much time it has left. Once it's done, then voila, you'll be able to find the finished video file in wherever you kind of set the save location. But now, what about iMovie for iPhone? How do you do it there? Now, just like on the desktop variant, the share icon you need here will be located in the top right, so just tap on that. From there, if you want to edit what options you export the video in, click on options right here, and it's going to give you all the various different things you can adjust, like the frame rate, resolution, etc. There's quite a few less options here compared to the Mac and MacBook etc. version, because obviously it's a more limited device. Anyway, once that's all set up, we are given pretty similar options like before. You can export it and send it straight via mail, for example, or in our case, we just want to export it as a file for future use. So just click on Save Video, and the export is going to commence. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to export on iMovie, no matter what Apple device you're using. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and you still get quite a few options. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.